Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got my last Sista Chic haul. I did get in on her going out of business. There was no sale. Everything was regular. And I appreciate that she did it that way, that there wasn't just no crazy, people jumping out of there. I wanted to go in and grab a backup of one of my favorite blacks ever, and this was Paris Nights. And then I wanted her autism awareness polish that I had missed out on, and this one is called Love, Laughter, and Hope. So I won't be swatching this one or anything. Y'all seen this one on my channel a whole lot. So I ordered those two, and I wanted some cuticle oil and some other stuff, but she sold out of everything really fast. So I got what I could, and she threw in 2 extra polishes. And this one is called Nothing But Blue Skies. And these two, she said, never made it to a collection or for sale. So she sent Nothing But Blue Skies, and this should have been from the Anniversary Collection 2020. And it's a beautiful, yummy polish. And then she sent this one. It's called Swamp Thing Revisited, a WTH Polish 2020. And I have the original from this. I had bought it. It was in like an oops batch or something. So I'm really excited about having these. I am going to be using these 3 polishes and manicures like super soon. Like I'm planning on using them today. So I'm not going to swatch them out. I just wanted to share my little haul with you and kind of remind you, if you own any of your Sista Chic polishes, break them out and show them some love. Don't forget about them. Don't put them in the back of the drawer and forget, because she made some of the most amazing polishes with the best formulas ever. And I just wanted to show y'all what I got, and we're going to get on into doing some manicures with these today. So I'll be sharing those very soon here on my channel. So that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you own any Sista Chic polishes and which ones are your favorite that you own. I would love to hear from you. You might spark me, and I might pull mine out and use it in a manicure very soon. So thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.